Hello everyone, this is Sunita. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today is our first day in Ooty and we are planning to visit Doddabetta Peak. Doddabetta is highest mountain in Nilgiri mountains, around 2637 meter. There are 24 higher peak in Nilgiris and Doddabetta is highest peak among them and second highest peak in South India. Temperature here mostly low throughout the year. During winter minimum temperature goes 5 degree and during summer it's minimum going to 10 degree and max it's 21. Doddabetta lies at junction of eastern and western Ghat. Dodda means big and Betta means mountain. Morning time should be the best time to visit this place because roads are narrow and traffic is the problem here. Weekend should be avoided because of this crowd. You can see now this. Around this there is a reserve forest area. You can get marvelous view from the peak of this forest and you can see Karnataka border Bandipura forest also and sunrise sunset point. This is sunrise and sunset point. You can get beautiful view of this. Bird watching and trekking are another attraction. This is shooting spot for many South Indian movies. Doddabetta Peak is popular tourist attraction of Ooty, so you will find crowd here all the time. Road is bit narrow till main gate. From here you need to walk 100 meter to reach the peak. For car parking or vehicle parking there is 20 rupees fee, parking fee, and entry fee for this Doddabetta Peak is 10 rupees per person. Kids below 5 year free and timing to visit this Doddabetta Peak is 7 am to 6 pm. One telescopic house is here but right now it's not in working stage, so you can get surrounding panoramic view from here, really amazing.
अरे कर्नाटका बॉर्डर दिसते इथं म्हणजे
Who told you?
दिले की कर्नाटका बॉर्डर म्हणजे बंदीपूर ना इथून दिसते ना.
And this is the view from telescope. Hey, अरे नहीं जात रे. Now we are going towards Ketti Valley viewpoint. From here also you can see panoramic view, beautiful panoramic view. This is midsummer and morning time is 11:15. Still we are feeling cool breeze is coming and temperature here is 14 degrees centigrade. From Ooty, Doddabetta Peak is around 9 to 10 km away, so you can go through your own vehicle. You will find many autos, you will get buses also. Best thing is buses are very frequent and you will get very reasonable price. All sightseeing places like Doddabetta Peak, Rose Garden, Botanical Garden, Tea Factory, Boat House, Thunder World, all sightseeing places just for 100 rupees per adult, 50 rupees per children. For these are the bus charges, bus fare. This place is really amazing but crowd also because this is midsummer and holiday time, so crowd is more. If you want peaceful journey, happy stay here, then come during our this months, April and May. We had really amazing time but now we are feeling little bit hot. Weather is getting hotter, So we are leaving this place, and next point we'll visit to botanical garden. In next video we'll show you the botanical garden of Ooty. Hope you enjoyed Doddabetta Peak. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel, give thumbs up and share it to your friends and family.